Affidavit of service, my lord.
I'm fantastic.
State.
My lord, this matters relates to, my lord, the midday meal project of a, my lord, the particular school. Happened here, my lord. The project was running, my lord, with the insufficient funds and, my lord, irregularities to, my lord, to disburse the fund. My lord, the issue has not cropped up today, my lord. It has cropped up from 2019. Several later I have wrote, my lord. They all are the part of my writ petition. Presently, my lord, I have informed the DM, my lord. In this situation, it is not possible for me to continue with the project, my lord. Otherwise, I have to close the project. But, my lord, the local people who are there, my lord, they were not, my lord, supposed to, my lord, ask question to the DM or BDO, my lord. They will ask question to me. From my pocket, my lord, I am running this project, my lord.
Payment not being made.
No, my lord, kindly see this. See. Kindly see my one document, my lord, last document, my lord. I will see other in detail. Last, which was, my lord, is page 21, perhaps, my lord. 21. That is in 2022. 2022, thereafter this petition was filed, my lord.
1 minute.
My lord, instructions have not yet been received. Kindly take it on next Friday, my lord.
Next Friday? Why?
Or next Wednesday, my lord.
There is
Because the school doesn't have the fund for the midday meal projects.
no cook, no assistance, nothing, my lord. In every letter, I have mentioned to every authority. Now I am running from my pocket, my lord, this project, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the local people will, my lord.
You are the
my headmaster.
The petitioner is the headmaster of a primary school. Stop. He alleges that because of non-payment of fund, the non-disbursal of fund in favor of this school, he is not in a position to continue with the midday meal projects. Stop. Repeated representations were made before the block development officer, Farakka block,
As well as the DM, my lord.
and the district magistrate, Murshidabad, none has been considered. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondent seeks time to take instruction. Stop. List on 31st, next Friday. Written instruction shall be obtained as to when the payment will be made in favor of the petitioner. And the reason for non-disbursal of fund for such a long period of time shall also be disclosed in the instruction.
Okay.
Next one is also same.
No. Some that's related to midday meal.
All right.
Affidavit of service.
Service is taken on record. Next.
My lord, দাদা এইটা তুলে নিন, এফিডেভিট সার্ভিস এই সার্ভিসটা তুলে নিন, এইটা তুলে নিন আগে, আগের সার্ভিস এটা। হ্যাঁ, দিস ইজ my lord. State. My lord, here, my lord, this is also relates to, my lord, the midday meal project, my lord.
Petitioner is the headmaster.
Headmaster, before your lordship. Here the problem is that, my lord, headmaster is the in charge of the, my lord, whole management, as per, my lord, the notification of statute, my lord. The mobile number, SMS, all which will come to the in the phone number of the headmaster. He will every day, my lord, report to the BDO. Thereafter, my lord, what happened? Subsequently, BDO has, my lord, engaged another person, delegates the power to the another teacher for continuing the project. But, my lord, the rule says that this power can be delegated by only the headmaster. Headmaster can delegate power to the other teacher. But in the choice of the block development officer, is his choice. He cannot, my lord, appoint anyone. Or
it has to go through the BDO, through the headmaster.
This is the rule, my lord. Just, my lord, pardon me, my lord. I have marked, my lord, that last duties portion, my lord. Last. Therefore, my lord, he is the authority. My representation was there. Without bypassing the headmaster, my lord, someone has not been appointed. Someone has not been given the charge.
Lordship, actually, here the case is completely different. Here, the headmaster suffered an accident and he wrote to the BDO saying that he will not be able to take care of the school and the midday meal project, and therefore to hand it over to somebody else. Accordingly, that was done for that time period of time. After that, once he recovered, he joined the school back. And now he wants the midday meal service given back to him. However, some other teacher who was appointed was already conducting that service successfully. Now, this is the instruction as per, this is a very old matter, Lordship. This is as per 22/4/2024, where the instruction says that the person who was given the charge of this midday meal, he has also retired. Thereafter, what is the situation, Your Lordship?
So
I
it
will
has
have
to
to
go
check.
back to the headmaster
Yes, my lord.
because there is no other option.
I will just take instruction and
Page
submit.
23, my representation, I said that I was in, my lord, the hospitalized.
Come.
Thereafter, my lord, I
Is
came
the
to now I am want to, my lord,
headmaster
take
of a
back my
primary
charge.
school. And because of his designation, he is the competent authority to be in charge of the midday meal project of the school. As the petitioner suffered an accident, he was not in a position to perform the duty of the midday meal scheme.
That is in 2020.
Stop. After his recovery, he sought for handing over the documents in connection with the midday meal project to him, but the same was not done. Stop. The during the absence of the petitioner, comma, the block development officer handed over charge to a different teacher of the subject school to ensure that the project is not stalled in the midway and the same remains functional. Stop. The prayer has been made to direct the block development officer to hand over the charge to the petitioner once again. Stop paragraph. Learned counsel representing the state respondents submits upon instruction that the charge was handed over to a different teacher because the petitioner was indisposed. Stop. The person to whom the charge was handed over has retired in the meantime. Stop paragraph.
No, my lord, he retired in 2023, my lord, in July 2023.
Acha,
Thereafter, new man has been given.
retired in 2023. ঠিক আছে নেক্সট হচ্ছে
আমি তো
as in terms of the guidelines published by the school education department, comma, the duties and responsibilities of the midday meal scheme are specified. Accordingly, the block development officer is directed to take necessary steps in the matter. Stop. Where is the representation?
My lord, page that is in coming from page 23, my lord. 23 page.
Which one you want to be considered?
My lord, 23, 24, my lord, also, my lord.
Acha.
Same.
A representation from the petitioner is pending consideration at the end of the block development officer. Stop. Let the same be considered in accordance with the prevailing guidelines at the earliest, but positively within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Necessary consequential steps shall be taken by the block development officer.
My lord, may I, my lord, 24 is order letter dated 12 December 2023, and 25 is, my lord, I prayed for my lord giving me charge, that is 8 January 24.
Very well. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to forward a copy of the representation dated 8th January 2024 along with all supporting documents to the block development officer at the time of communicating the order of the court.
Grateful.